my zone, fire in my bones, so best believe it's on. Sweat and tears I've invested in this game, so I lay it on the line because I come to do my thing, I'm on.
What's up, everybody? Good morning. Hope everybody's doing well. Today it is Tuesday, and the market is back open today. So we'll be going through some pre-market stuff, going through some crypto news. Not a lot of news floating around out there right now, but we'll hit on what's out there. Look at some price action. See what's up with that crypto market and some price action, see what's going on in the pre-markets, take care of all that stuff. And then I'll get you guys on about your day. Be a short stream today because I do have some stuff that I need to take care of. Tuesdays are my busy day. So got some things that I got to get into today and get moving. But with that, we got a good stream for you guys today, and we will get into it. What's up, XXI? What's good with you? What's good with you this morning? Good morning, man. It's Tuesday, man. It's Tuesday, and we're gonna get into some pre-market stuff and then some crypto news. Talk about what we got going on. Big Twitter space tonight. We're gonna have a open Twitter space tonight. 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Will not be recorded, so we'll be able to talk about whatever we need to talk about. But we're gonna go ahead and the markets are back open today, and so we do got some pre-action movement, bro. I'm super happy. I got my 5 keys. If I got that large store, man, you got 5. I did buy another one yesterday. I bought another one yesterday. So I'm good. I'm set now. I'm not gonna buy anymore. So I'm good. I got one yesterday. Plus with MMA, with MMA dropping the beta in March, bro. Popping. Yeah, that beta game is gonna be nasty, man. So I can't wait. Looks like they're gonna drop it on PC first, and then mobile second. So that beta is gonna be nasty. That beta of that game, I think. And there's talks of more games in the works. So I'm excited about that. MMAI Gaming Studios, they're going to be dedicated to creating games. So I think there's going to be more games to come. Probably different games for different genres, things like that. So I'm excited about that, man. I'm excited for the reveal too. I'm excited to get this whole NFT key thing, behind us. Go ahead and reveal them properties, see what everybody got, and go ahead and open that metaverse back up, and so that we can see how this master plan unfolds for what they have going on. So I'm excited, man. I'm excited for the future. I'll be real excited too when they put the metaverse and the games and everything else on their own blockchain, and see how all that rolls out too in the summer. So I'm excited. I'm excited for the Pure Wallet too. Austin's on his way over there today. Probably be there tomorrow, but starts to fly out today. So expect some movement on the Pure Wallet. So I'm excited about that too, man. Just excited all the way around. I want to see what everybody got, man. I hope you got your large store. I hope everybody got exactly what they wanted out of the keys. So I'm excited, XXI. I'm pumped about that. But we're gonna get into some of these pre-markets. Pre-markets are red, guys. Not looking too good today. To start the morning. but uh, but we uh, but we would expect this, right? We would expect this out of the markets being closed on Monday. Expect them to open up in red. Expect them to open up down a little bit. So there's no shock here of what's really going on. No shock. They are red, but it's okay. We'll go ahead and take a look and see where the crypto fear and greed index is. It's in greed. But remember, this is that lagging indicator. This is the one that falls behind. So we don't make a lot of decisions off of it. But it's sitting in greed today. But we do like to review it just to make sure everything lines up the way that it should. So bro, you know me. I like to get into get into get into coins before the blow up. Um, say Sato is one. I looked into that. I didn't buy it yet, but I did look into it. Um, there's I looked into that one and Cypherium. So I'm gonna expand my bags here in a minute into a couple different tokens. Um, but uh, but yeah, I uh, I did look into that one, and I looked into Saphirium. So I am going to probably probably make a purchase um, of either one or both. Um, so um, you brought that to me, and then I looked into it, and I was like, I might make a purchase of that one and Saphirium. Um, so yeah, I agree. I like what I see. I like what I seen with that. So if I do purchase it, you'll know it. I'll let you know. But yeah, it's definitely on my list. It's on my list to go ahead and add to my bags. Because right now I'm at the point where I'm investing where I think I'm comfortable with all the investments that I have and where I'm at. So I'm looking to expand that a little bit and open up some new positions and some new tokens. So I am on the lookout. But you got this 1.119 billion market cap, way down from where it was yesterday. XXI way down from where it was yesterday. We're 1.130 something billion yesterday. Reflected in the price too. You see Bitcoin down to 24.6. You see Ethereum coming down to 1,678. This was 1,680 something when I woke up this morning. So kind of continues to drop a little bit throughout the morning, but the markets are open today. The stock markets are open today, so it's going to have an effect on cryptocurrency. And the stock markets ain't looking too tough today. BNB's coming down too from where it was. You look on the 7 day, and BNB was up 6%. It's coming down a little bit today as well. So, XRP. I did a video yesterday on XRP. Interesting that you guys know I'm invested in XRP pretty heavy. I have a lot of XRP, but they had over $1 billion in trading volume yesterday, like 1.3 billion, and the price didn't move. A lot of it is because the bulls and the bears are fighting with each other. So somebody will make a big buy, somebody will make a big sell. They're just going back and forth. But to have, $1 billion in trading volume and have your price not move really tells you that the bulls and the bears are really fighting this thing out right now. Because $1 billion in trading volume is absolutely humongous. And we'll look, you see their market cap is just under 20 billion, 20 trillion, 20 billion, my bad. 20, yeah, about 20 billion in the market cap. So it's a big market cap, but boy, oh boy, did are the Bears and Bulls fighting it out with XRP. Man, I'll tell you, it's interesting to see because a billion, 1.3 billion in trading volume in 24 hours, and your price don't move, man, that's a lot of trading volume. That's a lot of trading volume. Polygon continues to, it's dipping a little bit, but it's still sitting at $1.42, which is great for Polygon. It was up around $1.50, so it's starting to come back, down. So, we watching this one. Like I said, I'm comfortable with my Polygon position, so I don't know if I'll be adding to it. And if I do add to it, it'll be strictly it'll be short term. Everything will be short term. The stock market has been getting beat up at all month. The stock market's been getting crushed, man. My stocks are getting smashed right now, and gaining into March. I see it. I see it getting worse. They have some housing data coming out today. I don't think it's going to get. I don't think your housing data is going to get any better. And I think that might take the market down a little bit. But man, my stocks are getting hammered. But the good part about it is I'm buying more stocks right now at a lower price. So I am loading up, and I do have what I call a recession bag. So some of the stuff that I'm buying right now, I'm looking to on the next uptrend, I'm looking to sell it and make some money. Numbers don't lie. XXI, you're right. They don't. Numbers are numbers. You can't argue with numbers. So it is what it is. But we'll be ready to rock and roll. I mean, we got to play the market, how the market is right now. And we can't, I'm not a whiner and crier. I'm not gonna whine and cry about the market. It's one of these things where I'm trying to make money in the market no matter what it looks like. So if that means we got to play a down market and make less, that's okay. But green is green and money is money. And if we make $1 more than what we made yesterday, then we're still winning. And that's the way I look at it. Yeah, we're gonna do all right. So that's kind of how I feel about the market. Like we got to be able to make money no matter what. So we're gonna go ahead and check this out. XXI today. We're gonna pull up. We're gonna pull up Sato and see what it's doing today. Not bad. Sitting at about a penny. Not bad. I'm not long term. I'm not long term investor. Everything I'm buying. I'm not looking. I have different bags. I have long term, short term bags. I have swing trade bags. It just depends on what the market's doing. I react to the market. So if the market's telling me that I need a recession bag that I can swing trade with during the recession, then we're gonna do that. If it's telling me that I need to hold my long term, I'm gonna hold them. So I'm gonna react to the market. Uh, uh, yeah, St. Thomas, a great vibe, bro. I'm definitely trying to reach my goal of 100K coins before. Yeah, why not? You know, I'm with you. Like I said, I looked. I'll probably buy in. Um, um, I got the right one up, right? XXI. Good morning, Big Watch. What up? How you doing? Um, how are you, Big Watch? I don't have the right one up, XXI. Let me see. Let me go back here. Hold on. We looking at something, Big Watch. Big Watch, man. How are you this morning, man? I hope everything's good with you, man. Um, I hope you having a good morning, man. We're just sitting here chilling this morning, getting ready to look at this market. Getting ready to do some things this morning. It's gonna be a shorter stream today though. Because Tuesdays are my big days, man. Um, so I got to I gotta move. I'm trying to bring this chart up. Um, good. Yeah, yeah, you do. That's what I thought, Big Wise. I mean, XXI, you was killing me for a minute. I'm like, you mean to tell me that I did this research or the token that ain't even real? That you because I was doing this because you told me to look into it, so I came in here and did some research on it. But yeah, I think I might add this and Cypherium to the bag um, because I'm good with where I'm at. I am gonna add some more flair too. I have some flair. I don't think I have enough flair, and it's kind of been trading in this hole and right around. It's just been leveling off. So I think I'm gonna add some more flair to the bag because I just think that it's one of these ones that are going to take off. But yeah, this one's sitting pretty nice at right around a penny, almost 2 cents. Let's go ahead and look and see what the chart's telling us. Go ahead and pull this back a little bit. Let's pull this back from a year ago. So when it was at its all time high right here, we're looking at what 5 cents. So um, right now Right now, it's sitting at about a penny, but it's all a year. A year from now, sitting at its all-time high was probably around 5 cents. So, not too far off from its all-time high. We'll pull it back even. Let's just go ahead and do all. Let's see how we performed. And Looking at the peak right there, looks to be about 8 cents. Um, So it looks like it's been trading sideways for a while right now, which is looks like to be a great accumulation period, accumulation time. So um, let's go ahead and I want to take a look and see what it's doing, where it's listed. All right. So it seems to be listed on the Pancake Swap. So Uniswap, Pancake Swap. Uh, so they're cross chain. Either you can do ERC20 or you can do a BNB side. which is good. Gate.io, BKEX. So not listed on too many big huge exchanges. The volume, see what the volume is here. Well, let's see. Looks like the price is pretty consistent all the way down through too. So there's not a lot of big swings when it comes to the centralized exchanges. So you don't have anybody that's really manipulating, buying on one and selling on the other. So that's a good thing. So you look at the volume. Looks like the biggest volume is coming from. Let's go down through this real quick. Actually, it looks like the biggest volume is coming from PancakeSwap. Looks like it's coming from the BNB side. You know, about 158,000 in a 24-hour period. Holds about 38% of the total volume is coming from the BNB side. So not bad. Not bad at all. Come over here. I want to see. Come back over here to the overview. I want to see more information right there. Looking at the holder count, you got a total addresses of 8,170 people that are in this. Small group of people, small addresses, and so not bad. It's in that 17 million market cap. So, and these guys don't give us liquidity, so not bad. Looks good. XXI. So Daniel, my goal is 100K, my 100K coins and Satos. There's not a lot of projects that do these things. Jumping on me. Security bridges. Yeah, Satos is a good project. It looks like the market cap's small enough to get in. The price is right. It looks like from the chart, it looks like that they're trading in this channel sideways. So it's a great accumulation period. And 100,000 in a bull run with a market cap that small can explode. Satos is early. Can see in a bull run. Yeah, that's what they're saying. In a bull run, it can take off. And the good part about it is it's on the BNB side, and that seems to be that seems to be where they're doing the majority of their volume. XXI is on the BNB side, so it's a whole hell of a lot cheaper to trade on PancakeSwap than it is on Uniswap. So, you can accumulate a lot faster over there. I thought everyone abandoned Satos. Looks like it's coming back. Good morning, Dr. Rob. How are you? How are you? Say hi to everybody. What's good, Rob? What's good? Crypto Mike, how are you? Good morning. Raphael, good morning. So yeah, it looks decent. So I don't see why you can't accumulate that 100,000 over there at XXI. And I mean, it's not too far off from its all-time high. So, I mean, it's not. It looks like the holder. It looks like it's early. It looks like the holder count is there. It looks like it's early. Market cap is small. So, there could be definitely money to be made there in a bull run. So, but yeah, we're leaking out of this market cap this morning, guys. But we can't be surprised with that when the market's open from a long break again. Um, so the market cap is leaking a little bit. We're at 1,114,000,000,000, 1,114,000,000,000. So it's leaking a little bit, but you got to remember the stock market's open today, and after a long break from the stock market, you have to expect this right here in red. And the housing data is coming out today. Don't expect that to be good. So yeah, yeah, I'll use Pancake Swap. Yeah, Pancake Swap is a lot cheaper XXI to trade on. Right, yeah, Pancake Swap, Pancake Swap. This time, yeah, it's the fees are just so much cheaper, and especially during a bull run, the fees are a lot cheaper over there. Ethereum has a tendency to go crazy when the market's up. With their fees are absolutely absurd sometimes, but you know, market's in red today. But you're seeing this come over to the cryptocurrency market right here with this market cap. So, but you can see everything starting to leak out a little bit. We're at 24.5 with Bitcoin, and even Ethereum started to leak out even more since we've been talking right here. It's at 1,673. This sets up pretty good for the finish. I want to see Ethereum dip. I want to see it go down because I think for the MMAI NFT sale, we're going to need this Ethereum to be a little bit lower to meet the goals and the targets that we have. I want to see this thing come down so people feel a little bit more comfortable in buying what they buy. Thanks for checking out Ethereum. No, man, anytime XXI, anytime you got something, man, I'll check it out for you, give you a look. But I think that project looks good. But Ethereum, I want to see this thing dip a little bit lower to go ahead and finish this MMAI NFT sale up strong. Put this push on. Austin's heading out to Korea to go work on some projects out there. I would like to see him do that drawing out there for that 10K. And I'd like to see somebody from the community win that 10K and change the trajectory of what they have going on. So, but yeah, this market's leaking this morning. Hold on one second. My daughter is home from school, so I got to see what she's doing this morning. You up? You're up?
Yeah.
Okay, what time you leave?
Right now.
Yeah, sorry about that. You know how it is. You know how it is. When your kids are home, take care of your kids, man. She's on her way back to school right now, so um, you know, had to say goodbye to her. I definitely agree. Eve's gotta come down and will help MMAI. Yeah, I think so too. I think it's gonna help MMAI sale if ETH comes down, and so I'm looking for that dip today. I think I think it'll really help that final push. So high culture. So markets in red, guys. This 24-hour is in red, and it's not looking like it's gonna pull out of the red today, but that's okay. Because we flew yesterday, right? We were pumped up. We flew. The market was flying yesterday. And you got to expect a pullback. You got to expect some people taking profits. You got to expect some sales. And it's one of these things where this is the market. You're gonna have an up and down market. Market's gonna come up. People are gonna take profits. It's gonna consolidate, and it's gonna go up again. People are gonna take profits. It's gonna consolidate. So, but I'm kind of hoping that ETH kind of pulls way back here. I want to see them NFTs sell for MMAI. I want to see us at least get to 500. And I think if ETH can pull back a little bit, I think it's going to help with that. And I think that we'll be good. Big Watch dude, good morning. In your country. Yeah, it's morning here, Raphael. It's morning, man. It's early. It's exciting. Good morning, good day. So yeah, we're pulling back a little bit this morning. I don't even let me check while we're talking about where the sales of the actual NFTs are for MMAI. I want to see where we are. I didn't even check this morning. I'm so confident in this project that I have this bad habit of just not checking things because I don't feel like I need to. I feel like I can just let my money sit and I'm good there. So I get this bad habit of not really checking things, and we'll see if my OpenSea works this morning. For some reason, every time I try to bring it up on the computer, it shuts down on me. So I don't. I try not to bring it up here. So it doesn't want to act right on the computer. So let's see where we are with these sales here. Go to analyst. Go to first sell. 298, guys. We're 2 away from a drawing for a free one. 2 away. So I hope we hit that mark today, and I hope we can get a free drawing for a free key to the city. So I hope that we can pull that off, and then I hope we have a big run these last couple days so we can get to this 500 mark, and we can really push this thing forward. So that's what I'm hoping. Sir Daniel, what's the problem with the market? The problem with the market is the stock market opened today. So when the stock market in the United States opens, and you could basically predict this, because every time the stock market has a long break, then it usually opens in red and it opens down. Plus the housing data is going to come out today, and I don't expect the housing data for the stock market to be good. So Big Watch. So I don't expect this housing data to be good this morning when it comes out. Expect it to be down. I expect new home sales to be down. I expect new builds to be down. We're still going to be running high with inflation. So, it's just not a good time in the stock market right now. And we ran yesterday, but remember the stock market was closed. When you look at the bubbles, like we always like to talk about here, when you look at the bubbles on the daily, this is the overseas market, right? This is the overseas market that really didn't particularly care for crypto while we were sleeping. And then when you start to look at the hourly, this is the United States starting to wake up. And this is the United States starting to wake up and starting to see whether or not they agree with what the overseas markets did while they were sleeping. And as the United States traders start to wake up, you see this like pull and tug sometimes between the overseas markets and the United States markets, in the European markets, on whether or not they agree or disagree with. Obviously the European and the United States markets do not agree with with the other parts of the world that were trading all day yesterday. So as they start to wake up and they get their days moving, you start to see these charts change. So just doesn't look good today. It looks like a down day. I don't know how else to put that. It just doesn't look good. We pulled out another 25 trillion from yesterday. 25 billion from yesterday's market cap. So, we lost 25 billion dollars in the overall global market cap of crypto on the overnight. Good morning, Seiko. So, Raphael, that's what's going on right now. The market, the American markets are waking up. The overseas markets didn't like crypto, and the American markets are not liking crypto this morning. And usually what happens a lot of times is the overseas markets will pump the markets up, and then the Americans will wake up and take their profits. And then vice versa too. If the American markets are really pumping up crypto and the overseas markets don't really care for crypto that morning, they'll go ahead and take their profits. So a lot of people don't understand there's that pull and tug that's always going on in the market, where you don't have that in the stock market, right? Because the stock market is only in the United States for this particular stock market, and there's a set hours for trading, so there's not this pull and tug fight all night long. But in crypto, there's a pull and tug fight all night long. So that's what we have going on right now. But I'm not mad. I'm not mad about it. I think it's a good thing. I think it's healthy. We had a good run for a couple of days. Now it's probably good for us to consolidate, come down a little bit and consolidate before we go back up. This is just healthy trading back and forth. It's just really it's healthy. This is what you would expect the markets to do that are in a good position. So, Raphael, don't worry about it. The market will definitely come back. But we're probably going to trade sideways for a little bit. Sideways or down, actually, for a little bit. Here's an interesting something for you guys to chew on today. FTX Japan resumes crypto fiat withdrawals from FTX, guys. So Japan is now able to withdraw their fiat from FTX Global. Interesting that this is happening. Where FTX was no problem, Raphael, but this is the market is healthy. So expect that back and forth. FTX, Japan, Global has started to, they're able to make their fiat withdrawals out of FTX. For somebody who was bankrupt and didn't have any money like FTX Global, they are now starting to open up trading slowly in different countries. I don't even know what to say about this. Anybody who is putting their money on FTX right now, good luck. I don't know what else to tell you. I don't trust that, but good luck. And I hope it stays safe. But there's really not a lot of crypto news going on. But the SEC's back at work today, so we'll see if they charge anybody else with anything as the day moves on. This seems to be the trend for them to continue to charge people on a daily basis with things. So we'll see what comes out of them guys today. They had a long weekend to sit back and think about what else they were going to do. So I'm going to check out some MMAI stuff this morning too. Daniel, don't you think people will be pulling their money off? I think as soon as FTX opens in these other countries, people are going to be pulling their money off of it quick. If they're smart, they'll be pulling their money off as soon as they can. Anybody that keeps their money on FTX and continues to trade on FTX after what just happened, um, they're just they're begging for more problems. SBF will pop up, and eat it again. He will. Sam Bankman-Fried, um, he's not as dumb as people as he portrays himself to be, or people think that he is. I mean, when you have to go to court and the judge has to tell you to stop using a VPN because you're outsmarting the system, um, he has a way into this exchange. He built the damn thing, so him and his buddy knows how to get in there. They know what to do. The platform, you haven't heard of the platform being completely rebuilt, so whatever he built is still there. So I just don't trust it. Some people, they trust it. I don't trust it. I just don't. But Sam's gonna pop back up in the cryptocurrency industry, um, doing something. Not quite sure what, but he's not. We haven't heard the last of him yet. So me and XXI were talking about this earlier. MMAI games, beta for the single person shooter game will be out in March. It'll be on a PC before it comes out on mobile, which makes sense. You want to release your beta on your PC, get everything worked out, the kinks worked out, and then turn around and release it on mobile, on beta as well, and then get the kinks worked out, and then open it up for everybody. So this is really a good thing. If you notice, MMAI Games, the gaming studio, is this is the first of a few games that I think that they're going to produce. So the MMAI Gaming Studio, their whole sole purpose in that team is to create games. So yes, the single shooter game will come out. The single shooter game is the first one. We know that there's a racing game coming out. We know that first week of March. Rob says this is coming out the first week of March in beta. So, you got to have your keys to test the beta. So make sure you get your key if you want to, this gives you access to test the beta on the PC. It's also going to give you access to test the beta on mobile. We did take down the metaverse so that they could integrate these properties into the metaverse. And then obviously it'll be released again once everything's integrated and everything's set up. So, the metaverse is, it did get pulled back for that particular reason. I hope when they bring the metaverse back out, it comes out on a hyperlink instead of the downloaded files. I think it will. I think they know that not everybody has these gaming PCs to be out there playing in the metaverse with. But I want to talk, this MMAI Gaming Studio is where it's at, guys. We know we have a racing game coming at some point in the near future. We know, that there's some other stuff in the works. What that is, we don't know. But MMAI Game, the gaming studio, is solely dedicated to working on games. So if you're a gamer and you like playing games, or your kids like playing games, make sure you have your key so that you can test out all these betas. It's not too often that you're able to be a beta tester for games that come out. So, the single shooter game and the racing game probably will not be the only games that come out from the MMAI Gaming Studio. That's why it's called the MMAI Gaming Studio. Is their job is to create games. Their job is to continue to create games for different genres and things like that. So, we may see some kid-friendly games. We may see some different types of games. We may see all that. So get your key to the city so you can start beta testing some of these games. Daniel, Daniel probably be posting posting my posting my gameplay on my gaming channel. XXI, drop your gaming channel link in here, man, so everybody can follow you. Drop that in there. Hey XXI, where's where's our where's our gaming channel? That's what I'm saying. XXI, you got a gaming channel. You better drop that in there so we can all go follow you. Um, get your followers up. We gonna follow you, man. We gonna follow you. We gonna watch you play this game. We gonna talk trash to you. We gonna do all of the above, man. But I want you guys that have the key to the city to know that these things are coming, and this is what the key to the city will get you, is to be able to be a beta tester in these games, and understand that MMAI isn't just a one trick pony. We're not coming out with one game or two games and then taking our football and going home. We are moving this thing forward with a long-term vision and a long-term plan to continually build out this ecosystem. And like Augie has said plenty of times, we have different teams that are working on different things, and the gaming aspect is just one piece of the metaverse and one piece of the what MMAI is doing in one team. It's just one team. We have a Pure Wallet team. We have a Metaverse team. We have a gaming team. So we have blockchain team. So we're not these things. That's why they can come out so fast and furious, is because we have dedicated teams that are working on this at XXI Gaming. Type into the YouTube. It will show up. Okay, you're gonna get a follow today. You'll see me. You'll see me sitting on my channel. All right, you're gonna get a follow today, man. And we're gonna be talking. If you go live, we're talking crap to you. But yeah, I want to see how this would be. Yeah. So, I'm glad that you're gonna be a beta tester, XXI. I'm glad you're gonna stream it live. I'm glad you got your gaming channel. I'm gonna push that for you. We're gonna get everybody to follow you, because if you're gonna be streaming these games in your gameplay, man, I think everybody should see that. Dr. Rob, you hear this? You hear XXI? It's been holding out on us. He got his whole gaming channel. He's been holding out on us. Not a cat's out the bag. Now we're gonna be talking about you on all of our Twitter streams and everything. So, we gonna go ahead and get that up. Get them subs up. Daniel, I came from the trash, from the trash talk. Hey, didn't we all, XXI? Didn't we all come from the trash talking game, man? That's one of the reasons I love crypto, man, because we're able to talk trash to each other. So, but yeah, XXI ready, Dr. Rob. He said he gonna be streaming the MMAI games live on his channel. So, we gonna get everybody to go subscribe to that channel. So, LeGrand, good morning. Good morning. Yeah. I know. But so yeah, I think that this is important. Everybody needs to really understand that this MMAI games, it's not just one or two games. This is going to be a steady evolution of games, and all of these games will probably end up in the metaverse, guys. So these microtransactions that you're going to get from the game. You know, think about, buying a gun, think about buying, your skins, think about buying these microtransactions through a wide variety of games, right? So the plan is already in motion. The plan is already like being developed right in front of our face. But you have to read between the lines to understand what's going on. And my job here is to help you guys read between the lines. You don't set up an MMAI gaming studio to release one or two games. You set up an MMAI gaming studio to continue to release games. So and to continue to have microtransactions within your ecosystem for these games. So this is the next process that MMAI is probably it's going to be the next big process. So we have our NFT sales, we have our properties that are about to be released. You have the metaverse that's about to be built out with these properties. But then you have this other thing that's sitting out here called MMAI games. And we got that look at that first shooter game that's going to be released on beta the first week of March. So, expect the racing game to follow pretty quickly. So you have to read between the lines of what's going on. And then you have these cars that you're able to, with the keys to the city, you may get a car that's going to be able to, you're going to be able to play that in that racing game, and you're going to be able to use it and upgrade it and make it faster, make it look better, make it do what you want it to do. So all these things are not happening by accident and are not just getting thrown together. This is something that's a clear plan. It's being rolled out in a very strategic way. So, read between the lines, guys. Read what's going on. I talk trash. I talk trash naturally, because I'm a former athlete. Hey, me too, Big Watch. I talk trash too. It's just natural. It just kind of comes out. Sometimes I probably shouldn't talk as much trash as I talk, but you know what? That's just who I am, and it is what it is. And I'm gonna talk my trash. And some people like it, some people don't. If you don't like it, plug your ears. I don't know what to tell you, but I'm gonna keep talking that trash. Daniel's channel is open. Is open. Good to you. Go to your channel and copy it. And yeah, we gonna get you up there, XXI. We're gonna get you up there. Copy your channel link and put it in this chat box because we all want to follow you. And you best believe today on Twitter Space at 11:30, right, Dr. Rob? Is it 11:30? Are we going today, or are we starting our night Twitter? Or are you guys just waiting for me tonight, or are we doing one at 11:30 too? Because we're gonna shout you out, XXI. We're gonna try to get you some followers. There we go. There it is. Everybody click on that and go follow. Everybody click on that. 11:45 today. 11:45. Everybody click on this right here. Click on this link right here and hit that follow and hit that subscribe button. So that when these games right here are released, these MMAI games, that we know that XXI Gaming will be streaming these games in beta for us on his channel. And we're going to get up close and personal look at these games from a gamer who will give us some really good critiques on what's going on. 11:45 today, guys. Twitter Space, Dr. Rob's channel. Come over there. We gonna continue this trash talk over there. We're gonna continue to upset people because MMAI is doing things that other people just wish that they could do. So my channel is for adult games, laughing out loud. My channel is like well, you beta test the adult games then. Hey XXI, just subscribe. There you go. As soon as this stream is over, I'm gonna subscribe to. Later, guys. LeGrand, good morning. Good morning to you. I'm glad you stopped by. And I'm glad you hung out with us for a little while. So I'm gonna wrap it up here too, guys, because I gotta get moving. I got a couple meetings really early this morning. So I gotta roll. This is just a start, XXI. Don't you worry. Don't you worry, man. This is just a start, especially once you start streaming this MMAI single shooter game, and you're gonna give us some live gameplay action. We gonna try to get your subs way up there. But I want to bring, this channel is sponsored by MMAI, but even if it wasn't, we would still be highlighting these MMAI gaming studio today. I think it's important. I think it's important for you guys to see how these things are starting to line up, and what this plan is, and how this plan is starting to really unfold. So you have your token drop, and then you have the metaverse beta, right? And then you have the trailers for the games that are going to be integrated into the metaverse. And then you have the NFT sales, and then a property sale, right? So the properties are also going to be integrated into the metaverse. And then you have then you're starting to ramp up your MMAI gaming studios, right? So I hope you guys can read between the lines, and you guys can see that there is a clear roadmap and clear direction that MMAI is heading, from a business standpoint and from a rollout standpoint of what they want this project to look like, right? And then in the middle of all this, the centerpiece of all this, you have the MMAI Pure Wallet, right? Which is going to assist with these microtransactions. It's going to assist these businesses in being able to take payment. It's going to assist you to be able to take payment and maneuver within the metaverse as well, right? So when you start to really see how these things come together, it kind of starts to make sense to you when you really sit down and you look at it from 1,000-foot perspective, instead of being so far down into the details of what's just happening today, right? You got to look bigger. You got to pull yourself back from what's just happening today and look at the bigger picture of where the business is headed, right? And one of the keys to where the business is headed is you have your metaverse. Now you have your gaming studio. Now you have the Pure Wallet at the center of all this, and to have it all be ran on the MMAI blockchain, right? So now you're making microtransactions from every transaction. You have the games rolled out. You have the metaverse rolled out. Your wallet's on fire with all these microtransactions, and you have your gas chain coin pushing all these transactions as well. So this ecosystem in this metaverse is going to be vast. It's going to be big. It's going to continue to evolve, because what's going to happen when you get to 10, 15 games, right? What's going to happen when you start opening more places in the metaverse? The metaverse expands. It expands to different places and just gets bigger, right? So you got to look at this bigger picture of MMAI. And I don't talk in small terms. I don't talk in small money. I don't talk in small terms. I don't believe in small-minded thinking, right? If you're in small-minded thinking, then you should probably get your money in and out within 24 hours and move on. This is big boy stuff here, right? So I want you guys to realize that this is a big boy game that we're playing in. When we talk to MMAI, when we talk about MMAI, this isn't a one trick pony. This isn't a small minded thing. These are big boy games, and they involve big boy money, and they involve big boy moves. And that's what MMAI is doing. And so understand what you're investing in, understand what the vision is, and take a step back and look at the bigger picture and not just what's going on at the moment. So that's the bigger picture that I have with MMAI Gaming and MMAI Gaming Studio, and kind of how it all integrates and works together. And the whole key to this MMAI Gaming thing, studio, is these microtransactions. It all comes back to the Pure Wallet. It comes back to microtransactions, and it comes back to continuing to develop good, solid games and good, solid products. And if you've seen that single shooter game, you know exactly what type of product you're getting, So with that, guys, I'm gonna wrap it up. I gotta move. What's your Twitter? What's your Twitter handle? Not coming up. It's XXI. His Twitter handle is the same as I believe it's the same as your YouTube handle. So with that, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up. I got some stuff I got to take care of early this morning. Got to get moving. I was on here just a little bit longer than what I wanted to, but that's okay. I can catch the rest up. I talk fast, so I can catch everybody up in the meeting. But with that, guys, I'll see you guys around in the chat today. Make sure that you're in Dr. Rob's space today at 11:45. We have a Twitter space tonight at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Make sure you're there. It's a non-recorded space, guys. So we'll be able to talk about anything and everything crypto. We'll be able to talk about, a lot of things that we can talk about that you guys don't want recorded. We can talk about them. We can put them out there. We can have some very good conversations. But let's start the day off at 11:45 in Dr. Rob's space. Let's get this thing popping today. Let's get some good vibes. Let's get some good energy moving today. The market's not great today, but we're gonna still make a good day out of it, guys. We are gonna make a good day out of today. If there's buying opportunities out there for you, buy them. But we're gonna make today a good day. We're gonna continue to we make money on good days. We make money on bad days. The whole piece is all about making money. So let's do that. Let's trade smart. Stay away from these tokens that you're not sure of. Stay away from these rug pulls. Be safe. Keep your money safe, man. Invest in solid projects, and let's do this together. And I'll see you guys at 11:45 on Twitter. So everybody have a good one. All right, bye.